Hi folks, in today's episode we are going to be making some jam-filled buns that is not too sweet, super soft, super light, and can be made in no time. Let's get into making our buns. To make our cherry-filled buns, we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of yeast. We have some lukewarm milk and the amount is going to be in the description box below. And we are going to wake up our yeast by adding just a little bit of our total amount of the sugar. Sometimes if you add too much sugar, the yeast tend to die. We're mixing it and allow them to wake up for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes and our yeast has become active, we're going to go in with some melted butter. And I like to add some vanilla to this to give this bun some extra flavor. So we're going to with dark vanilla, 1 tablespoon. We're adding the rest of our sugar. We're adding 1 egg, which is optional, but it just gives it a nice fluffy texture. And we're going to break up the egg and give it a quick mix up. And we're going to add our bread flour to this. I like to mix it up until it gets tacky, as you would have seen in some of my other baking videos. And once it gets tacky and sticky, I like to turn it over on my counter and mix it by hand. Once it becomes together and has passed the first stage of dough development, which is the picking up stage, we're going to turn it over to the countertop. And we're going to mix it until the gluten has formed for about 8 minutes. We are now at 4 minutes. And this right here is the second stage of dough development that has the holes and it's still a bit rough. And we're going to roll it into the third stage, which is a smooth stage. And after 8 minutes of kneading, we are at the third stage of dough development, which is nice and smooth. And this is done, and we're going to add it to our mixing bowl and let it rest for 1 hour covered with plastic wrap. After 1 hour, this is what our dough looks like for the third stage of dough development. So we're just going to flip it out. And we're going to cut it and divide it into 12 pieces. And we are on to our final ball. Let's tray them. Brush each one with a little bit of butter. And this is because we are about to cover them over with a plastic wrap to rise, and we don't want the dough to stick to the plastic wrap when we're taking it off. Just be nice and gentle. This is where they will stay for about 45 minutes. This is what we are looking like after 30 minutes. And with a grease hand, I just want to give a little press. They're going to slightly deflate, but this is just to spread them a little bit more. We're going to allow them to rise one more time. Using a small cover, something like this, or a medicine cap, or you can even use a spoon, the back of a spoon. You want to give each one a nice little poke. I'm going to grease it with a little bit of butter. Amazing. Amazing. And I'm using some cherry jam. You can use any flavored jam as you wish. And I'm just adding about a teaspoon in each one. Just a small little baby spoon. Cookies. We're going to allow them to proof up just a little bit more for about another 10 minutes, and then we're going to place them in the oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are really nice and golden brown. We're going to get into one of our buns, and they are very soft and they are very light. At this time, I would like to ask you to help me to grow my channel by subscribing and sharing the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And I would also encourage you to watch some more of my videos. Thank you for joining, and see you in the next video.